Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today we're going to talk about the Hypertop. So we're going to talk about this LED light. It's made perfectly for a studio light environment. Perfect. It's 5,000 lumens that run 2 strips across the whole system. I bought one before. This is my 3rd one I'm buying, just to light up more brightness in here, make it more lumens, you know, brighter for you, especially if you're going to be shooting videos and audio and you're going to do your little studio in here. This is perfect for you. Now if you guys want to know more about this, you can find these on pretty much everywhere in big stores like Walmart, Target, and any Home Depot or Lowe's or anything. Any hardware stores carry them. Now these LED lights are really brighter than the actual bulb ones, the long bulb ones, because I had those. They start fading out after a couple months. They start turning dim yellow, even if they're high, like 1,000 lumens. Now this is 5,000 lumens that we're gonna put it in here. Now if you guys want to know how much you're going to save energy if you buy one of these, it'll be $5.45 a year per having one of these. Now lifetime warranty, pretty much 45 years. By the time that this thing breaks down and you're gonna get another one, you know, they're gonna stop making these, or they might have something even better. So we're gonna take a look at it and see what you guys get when you purchase something so large and big, so you can light up your place. If you have a garage, a shed or something, or you want to light up a large area, this is something pretty good, and I recommend you guys. It's one of those things I always buy. Now I do have a wish list that they had included in this, but we're gonna talk a little bit more details on this. So let's take a look at it. All right, the box is a little too long, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see how well this is. But to be honest with you, it's just pretty bulky. And I'm gonna talk a little bit more about the material and what's included in here. So we're gonna open it up on one end first, make sure that there's nothing on the other end, and we get rid of the box. Now, power cord, it's already included in there. It's attached to it. They have, this time it's a little different, this one. So they do have a little switch and in this particular end, it has a plastic end at the end. And if you guys can see, this one is actually even better than the last one I have. This one actually has protective cover, which the other one I had doesn't. It doesn't have this plastic. I actually like this. This is a plus. So any bugs won't get in there, start messing around with the circuits and stuff like that. One single line of LEDs per section, so there's 2 of them in 2 areas if you guys see it, and it goes really long. Now this protective covers is a plus. The last one I bought, they didn't have this, so this is a great thing. Now they do have the hooks for them. They have all the cables, and they have even to hang them. They give you all the things that you're gonna need. A couple chains, screws that you're gonna drill in to hang out. They give you zip ties, and they even give you the drywall screw part area. So it's not that bad. I don't know what you call these thingies, but you guys look it up. So basically when you screw them in there, you can just tie them in there. You do have to do a preset hole first, you know, make sure you do that. Zip ties in case you need to tie them down, make them shorter. They give you 2 chains, and this thing is pretty much set to go. And on the back of it right here, it's where you actually hang the stuff. It's pretty much the hooks go in there, and that's pretty much it. Simple steps how to set it up. The only thing I wish they had on this included was that, let me show you. I wish in one end they had the other connection so you could daisy chain these, but they don't. They do have on different models, but not this one in particular. This one is actually just a basic one. It just goes the distance. It's pretty large distance. I mean, we're talking about a couple 4 feet long. That's how much it is. I can't fit it in the video, but I'm gonna demonstrate when it's up and running and see if you guys like it. If you guys, I actually like this one. This is a better model than the one that I have, because like I said, it has these protective plastics. And I'm gonna turn it on and set it up right now. If you guys have any questions on any of this stuff, LED lights, let me know, hit me up. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and let's take a look at it when it's up and running. So this is a light. It's pretty much illuminating pretty well. You guys can see my hand here. This is the actual light. Really bright, like it, very satisfied with it. And this one I had for quite a while in my studio already. If you guys can see it, it's the same model. That one I had already for a year and a half too. But I'm gonna show you something. This last LED light's giving up, it's turning yellow. So after a year and a half, that's what happened. And like I said, this is a brand new one. I like it how slim it is. It's gonna stay here for a while. So if you guys like what you guys see, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button. Thanks.